taking care of your stomach is essential for overall health. Here are 5 natural recipes to keep your stomach happy and healthy. First, ginger and lemon tea. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and lemon aids digestion. Ginger helps reduce bloating, and lemon stimulates digestive juices for better digestion. Second, banana and oatmeal smoothie. Bananas soothe the stomach lining, and oatmeal is high in fiber. Bananas are gentle on the stomach, and oats promote healthy gut bacteria. Third, cucumber and mint salad. Cucumbers are hydrating, and mint soothes the digestive tract. Cucumbers help reduce stomach acidity, while mint reduces gas and indigestion. Fourth, papaya and yogurt bowl. Papaya contains digestive enzymes, and yogurt has probiotics. Papaya helps break down proteins, while yogurt's probiotics support a healthy gut. Fifth, fennel seed water. Fennel seeds help reduce gas and bloating. Fennel seeds relax the digestive muscles, easing cramps and discomfort. These 5 natural recipes are easy to prepare and gentle on the stomach. Combine these recipes with a balanced diet, plenty of water, and mindful eating for a healthier digestive system. For more natural health tips, make sure to like, share, and follow. Comment your thoughts about this health and wellness tips. See you next time.